Today is the birthday of Alphabet R. You can celebrate with him too, wherever you are.
Yay!
Let's set the table and decorate the room, and clean it up with a broom. Who's at the door? Must be the friendly Raven for sure.
Hello!
The Raven has brought along donuts shaped just like the moon. And look who is hiding behind it. It's the Raccoon.
Hey!
The Raccoon has brought along a very nice party hat. Who's at the door? It's the Rat. The Rat loves to celebrate this day every year.
Yay! Yay!
Let's get the door. It's the Reindeer.
Whoa!
The Reindeer has brought along a sleigh out of habit.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
It's the rabbit. Woo!
Let's turn the fairy lights on. The room looks brighter. It's a rooster.
Woo!
The rooster has brought along some cupcakes to share with all of us. Who's at the door? It's me, the rhinoceros. The cake is all set. Everything looks good. Oh, look who has arrived. It's the Red Riding Hood. The Red Riding Hood said, I have been waiting for this day. Look who has arrived. It's little Rafe.
Aww.
Rafe says, I've got some more friends. I hope that's fine. Let's get the door. It's Rahima and Ryan.
Yes!
Hey!
All the friends have gathered for the party. This is fun. Let's sing the happy birthday song. Everyone.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.